Put your knife and stab it in there. He was probably to the back.
That's a nice tail. Okay.
He damn deep.
Get on in the boat, man. You playing with the goddamn fish, man. Get the fish on in the boat, man.
Yeah, just like raw.
Shit, you come out here with that. Get the damn fish in the boat, man.
Slow.
Let them come in. Let them come in. I was trying to see when they got those in. Give me another thing, oats, man. Right there on top. That's what it is.
Yellow.
Nice fish.
They here, buddy. Nice one.
Whatever you want to do with them, cuz.
Sleeves on.
Huh?
Swallowed it.